Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this javiscam javiscam mini camera system. It's a full HD surveillance camera, an indoor surveillance, a mini camera with live transmission mobile phone app and up to 100 days long standby. It's a Wi-Fi camera system with motion sensor and night vision and app control and wireless connectivity. The camera has no professional installation required. It's connected to the Wi-Fi via the app. It only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 5G is not supported, but every router with 5G network can handle a 2.4 GHz network too. So we can see real-time pictures via the app, no matter where we are. A hotspot function. So even if the camera is not connected to Wi-Fi, we can connect to the hotspot via our phone to see live image within a short distance. And the built-in and a long standby battery. With 2800 mAh, the Wi-Fi surveillance camera is technically designed with a low power consumption, which can record continuously for 24 hours after recharging. The camera can record for over 60 days at a low sensitivity settings too. It saves electricity by recording when someone comes and is ready when no one comes. And PIR motion detection, of course, because this mini surveillance camera is the smallest cam on the market with PIR function, which detects the movement of people and objects in real time. When the camera detects movement, it immediately sends us an alert via the mobile app. At the same time, all alarm videos are stored on the memory card or in the cloud, because you can install a micro SD card. And we have automatic night vision. This Wi-Fi camera is equipped with 6 non-illuminated infrared night vision devices. When the ambient night gets darker, it automatically switches to the night vision mode. With the night vision function, we can record clear, high-quality videos and see every action within 10 meters on the camera area. The app supports any multiple cameras, so we won't miss any important moments. That's cool. And it's really easy, as you can see in that video. We go download the U-Box app out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. And then we can start. It's really easy. After we make an account on the app, we add a device. We set up Wi-Fi device. We turn on our camera and wait until the blue light flashes. Then we move forward. We set the name and the location of our camera, go next. And we make sure our phone is connected with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then we input the same Wi-Fi name and password in the app. We use the camera's lens to scan the QR code in the app. The app will finish the connection in a couple of seconds. And then it can go on. After scanning the QR codes in the app, the camera has a red light flash and nothing happened in the app. This means that the connected is failed. For example, the Wi-Fi name, the password is incorrect, or the Wi-Fi is only 5G. In this, we can make a reset of the camera. Take 3 seconds on the reset button. Then it will be resetted and go the setup process again, and job's done. For a hotspot connection, then we can log into the Wi-Fi network which this camera comes with. And then we have the app to navigate through everything. We have a blue light, ready for QR code, blue light solid on, already connected, blue light and red light both on, resetting mode, green light, charging, and green light is off, not charging or fully charged. We can make motion detection We can motion detection shadow. We can view length. We can make night vision in different modes available. On the front side, we have a lens, a light sensor, a hidden ER, night vision, and a microphone. On the back side, micro SD card slot, indicator lights, power switch, and micro USB port to reload the battery of this really cool and small javiscam mini camera. This is the full HD surveillance camera for indoor and a mini camera with live transmission mobile phone app. 100 days long standby Wi-Fi camera and motion sensor and on top night vision. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.